Hello everyone. I thought you'd like to know about my latest commission, which is an underwater scene. Again, it came about from the Open Studios. The client had seen this mosaic, liked it very much, but what he wants is something much bigger on a larger scale, so I felt it needed more drama. So I've come up with this idea of an octopus guarding a treasure chest, and I've made some super duper sand to go for the seabed. And above that goes this panel. It's all one mosaic, but I work in sections like this. So the second panel shows some sardines, angelfish, more cheeky fish, and a boat. And then above that goes the horizon with more boats and some seagulls. And that's as far as I've got so far. That's it.